Hello, this is Akis Papadopoulos from CERTH, Greece, and I'm presenting our work at the last ICCV. The work is about generating realistic photographs using inpainting. Inpainting means you replace an object in an image with another object, or you completely remove the object in the image. What we do in order to achieve this is that we make use of foundation models at different stages of a pipeline. So first, we use foundation models for captioning an image and extracting a global description. We also use foundation models for segmenting an image into objects and different semantic areas. And once we have this data, we can use an LLM to generate an appropriate uh, description of the prompt and select the appropriate object to replace. We found that using this way, we can come up with more consistent inpainting and object replacements. As a second part to this work, we also created a method, a quite simple method for assessing whether the generated inpainted image is realistic enough to be set to deceive the user. To do this, we present two images, pairs of images, to a vision language model, and we ask whether one of the two is more realistic than the other. Then we present exactly the same two images, but with a reverse order. If the VLM selects the same image in both cases, then it means that it is quite confident. But if it's confused and it selects a different image each time, then it means that it's uncertain about the realisticness of the image. And this is a signal we use in order to rank the two images in terms of realism. And we found out empirically that this method works very well in assessing the realism of the inpainted image. We conducted several experiments and found out that the images that are generated using this pipeline are much more realistic compared to when using different quality assessment metrics. And the second set of experiments we did to assess the value of this pipeline was to test different forgery detection methods and use the dataset that we created as test dataset. It seemed that the newly generated dataset was able to confuse the forgery detection methods more, but also when used for training, it helped them more in detecting better the forged images. So that was a quick tour of our method. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye bye.